Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to test how well you can recognize traffic signs. I've prepared several interesting and slightly tricky situations, and in each one, you'll need to choose the correct road sign. Pay close attention to the details because some of the options may look very similar. Take your time, think carefully, and select the sign that best matches the situation. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many correct answers you got and which question was the most difficult for you. Let's get started. Now take a very close look at the screen. You can see 3 different road signs, and under each one there is a name. At first glance, everything may look correct. But here's the challenge. Only one of these signs actually matches the description written below it. Your task is to choose the sign that truly corresponds to its title. Don't rush. Pay attention to the details. Road signs are designed according to strict rules. The shape tells you the category, the color gives you additional information, and the symbol explains the specific meaning. Remember, warning signs are usually yellow and diamond-shaped. They warn drivers about something ahead, like a side road or a potential hazard. Prohibition signs are typically circular with red borders. They tell you what you are not allowed to do. Now look again at the options. A, side road right. B, no stopping. C, no waiting. Which one really matches its label? Pause the video if you need more time. Think carefully. The correct answer is coming up next. And the correct answer is side road right. Now take a look at the new set of road signs on your screen. Once again, you see 3 different signs, and each one has a title written underneath. But remember, only one of them correctly matches its description. Your task is to carefully analyze the signs and choose the one that truly corresponds to its name. Look at the shapes first. 2 of these signs are yellow diamonds, which usually indicate warning signs. The third one is a triangular sign with a red border, and that already tells you something important. Now read the options carefully. A, reverse turn. Left B, riverbank. C, roundabout. Does the symbol match the meaning of the words? Is the shape consistent with the type of warning? Could any of these titles be misleading? Don't let the unusual names confuse you. Focus on logic, design, and common traffic rules. If you're unsure, pause the video and think it through. Make your choice now. The correct answer will be revealed in just a moment. And the correct answer is reverse turn left. If you chose this option, great job. The yellow diamond shape tells us it's a warning sign. The black arrow shows a sharp change in direction to the left, which matches the title, reverse turn left. Option B is incorrect because the triangular sign with 20% warns about a steep grade, not a riverbank. Option C is also wrong because a roundabout sign has circular arrows forming a loop, not a sharp left turn symbol. So the correct match here is reverse turn left. Take a close look at the 3 signs on your screen. Each one has a title underneath it. But remember, only one sign correctly matches its description. Your task is to figure out which one it is. Start by looking at the shapes and symbols carefully. All 3 are warning signs, shown in a yellow diamond shape. That means each of them warns drivers about something ahead on the road. Now read the options. A, stop ahead. B, hairpin curve. C, truck ahead. Look at the first sign. It shows a stop sign symbol with an arrow above it. The second sign shows a very sharp U-shaped turn. The third sign shows a vehicle leaning while turning. Do the symbols truly match the titles? Is there any detail that doesn't fit? Take a moment to think. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer will be revealed next. And the correct answer is stop ahead. If you chose this option, great job. The yellow diamond shape shows that this is a warning sign. The symbol of a red stop sign with an arrow above it clearly warns drivers that a stop sign is coming up ahead on the road. Option B, hairpin curve, would only show a sharp U-shaped arrow without any stop sign symbol. Option C, truck ahead, would display a truck icon, not a stop sign. So the only correct match here is stop ahead. Take a close look at the three signs on your screen. Each one has a title underneath it. But remember, only one sign correctly matches its description. Your task is to figure out which one it is. Start by looking at the shapes and symbols carefully. Two of these signs are yellow-green warning signs, and one is a triangular red-bordered warning sign. The shape already gives you an important clue. Now read the options. A. School bus stop ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Riverbank. Look at the first sign. It shows a school bus with its stop arm extended, children nearby, and an arrow pointing forward. The second sign shows two pedestrians walking, which usually indicates a crossing area ahead. The third sign is a triangular warning sign with 20%, which typically warns about a steep grade. Do the symbols truly match the titles? Is one of the names clearly incorrect? Which sign perfectly matches its description? Take a moment to think. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer will be revealed next. And the correct answer is A. School bus stop ahead. The first sign clearly shows a school bus with the stop arm and children nearby, plus an arrow pointing forward, warning that a school bus stop is ahead. Option B doesn't match because the sign isn't a standard pedestrian crossing symbol with a crosswalk. Option C is wrong because 20% warns about a steep grade, not a riverbank. So the correct match is school bus stop ahead. Take a close look at the three signs on your screen. Each one has a title underneath it. But remember, only one sign correctly matches its description. Your task is to figure out which one it is. Start by looking at the shapes and symbols carefully. Notice that each sign has a different design and background. That already tells you they belong to different categories. Now read the options. Light rail activated sign, bump, emergency vehicle. Look at the first sign. It shows a train or light rail vehicle on tracks, displayed on a black background. The second sign is a yellow diamond with the silhouette of a truck. The third sign is a round yellow sign with a large black X and the letters RR, which is commonly associated with railroad crossings. Do the symbols truly match the titles? Which one clearly describes what you see? Are any of the names misleading? Take a moment to think. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer will be revealed next. And the correct answer is light rail activated sign. If you chose this option, great job. The first sign clearly shows a light rail or train vehicle on tracks, which matches the title perfectly. The symbol directly represents a rail transit vehicle. Option B, bump, is incorrect because a bump sign usually shows a rounded hump symbol, not a truck silhouette. Option C, emergency vehicle, is also wrong. The round yellow sign with RR and a black X refers to a railroad crossing, not an emergency vehicle. So the only correct match here is light rail activated sign. Take a close look at the three signs on your screen. Each one has a title underneath it. But remember, only one sign correctly matches its description. Your task is to figure out which one it is. Start by analyzing the shapes and symbols carefully. Two of these are yellow diamond warning signs, while one is a red circular regulatory sign. That already gives you an important clue. Now read the options. Hairpin curve, bear crossing, pedestrian crossing. Look at the first sign. It shows a curved dip or uneven road surface symbol. The second sign clearly shows the silhouette of a bear. The third sign is a red circle with a white horizontal bar, which typically means do not enter. Do the symbols truly match the titles? Is one of the names clearly incorrect based on the shape? Which option perfectly describes what you see? Take a moment to think. Pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer will be revealed next. And the correct answer is bear crossing. If you chose this option, well done. The yellow diamond shape tells us this is a warning sign, and the silhouette of a bear clearly indicates that wild animals, specifically bears, may be crossing the road ahead. Option A, hairpin curve, is incorrect because that sign would show a sharp U-shaped arrow, not a road dip symbol. Option C, pedestrian crossing, is also wrong. The red circular sign with a white bar means do not enter, not a pedestrian crossing. So the only correct match here is bear crossing. Subscribe and never miss road signs quiz.